It's 11:09 p.m. Okay, it's 11:09 p.m. I repeat. Okay, so I'm just here to talk about what was it called? Alright, here up. I'm going to it right now. Of course, you can't see it because the stupid dumb computer doesn't show anything. See? Okay, so I'm putting my username in and my password. There it goes. Say now. Guardian Entertainment. Present. This computer doesn't work so well, but still, and that works the most. So I just stick with this one. We have three. Actually, it's the laptops, but my mom has like a computer, so technically, yeah. Seriously? Frozen? Okay, so I just want to say, Gaddy the Hulk is back. I'm already one. Okay. So, I'm fighting for the Sparrow. I'm also... Okay, there it goes. No, 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 no! I hate this computer. There's Poison my sour. And I'm giving a free account away. I'm sending up right now. Okay. Let's just put this. I'll put something that lets you put whatever you want. I'm not gonna waste any heroes on the crapping game, okay? Username is gonna be guest one. No, okay. I'll tell you, it can't be guest one, it's already taken. So if you want it, don't put guest one. Okay, it's guest 52. I just put that. Password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. About what this could be a boy's account. Chucky Max the Rat. I don't like it that much. I'm just gonna put it right away because yeah. Thor, you suck. The emote just sucks. We don't need it. None of us do, right? Yeah! Shut your mouth. Yeah! Craven sucks. Okay, so I just like seeing the part of me. Fuck you, wizards. Ugh. Okay, so I'll just tell you about the battles. Marvel Heroes. Avengers Alliance. And Heal Up the Count. And I'm gonna do a gameplay. On Ghost Rider and other crappy ones. I'll stop right here when it hits the 35.